y'all, this is Mindy with Texas Pressure Washing. I just wanted to show you guys the Hulk today. So here we have two 10-gallon per minute Lifan units in the back of the truck now. And we have our one-wire Fierce Jet hose right here. And then we also have our 12-gallon per minute P40 comment on a Lifan engine. Then we have our in-house proportioner made by Texas Pressure Washing Store with a remote and a manual start. I got another gray hose right here. Got my soft washing hose here, and then I also have my water hose here. I have a 200-gallon buffer tank system, and then I have a 100-gallon chemical tank, and then I also have my surface cleaning rack that can hold up to 2 surface cleaners. Also back here for it to show y'all, I got my ladder rack.